Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 1. Our today's subject is English language. Today we will do lesson 4 and 5 RW. It is our lecture number 29 and there is my mobile number. My dear students, we have already finished our syllabus. Now we are revising the lessons for our upcoming examinations. See, in lesson 4, there it said match the naming words with their special names. You have to match the naming words with their special names. In question, the question may come like this way. Number A, city, B, doll, C, month, D, girl, E, man. And the special names are given Mr. Roshan, Shushan, Barbie, Mumbai, May. Now, how will you answer this question in your exam? You will answer like this way. First, you will follow the question number. This is number 1. You will write answer to the question number 1. In exam, if it is number 5 or 4 or 7, you will write answer to the question number that. That means you will write 4 or 5 or 7. Then, like this matching, you have to pick up the matching words. You have to pick up all the words. You have to write the words like this according to the question. Then we will do the matching. Like city, city will be matched with Mumbai. Doll, Barbie, doll, it will be matched with Barbie. Month, it will be matched with the month May. Then girl, it will be matched with the girl Sushan. Man, it will be matched with the man Mr. Roshan. Okay, so the answers are city Mumbai, doll Barbie, month May, girl Sushan, man Mr. Roshan. You have to try to keep neat and clean you must try to keep the answer neat and clean. If it is not neat and clean, if teacher can understand, teacher may understand the wrong and he may cut your marks. Now see number 2. Number 2, it is saying circle the special names in these sentences. Here you have asked to circle. So you will do what? You will write the only answer and circle it. Like see number A, the last month of the year is December. So which one is here the special name? Can you say? Yes, the special name is the December. The special name is the December. See, in answer I have written the special name is December. See, it is question number 2. So I have written answer to the question number 2. Then it is number A. So I have written A. Then I have written the special name, that is the December. So what will you do here? You will circle it. After writing, you will circle it. Now come number B. The girl standing near the door is Sarita. So which one is the special name here? We know that special name, most of the time special name starts with a capital letter. Okay, so here the girl, is it a special name? No, it's a naming word. Girl is a naming word but not a special name. Door, it is also a naming word but not a special name. Here Sarita is the special name. So we will write in answer the word Sarita and we must write the sub number B. That is B and the answer is Sarita. Then we will circle it. Okay. Now see number C. My cat's name is Bosky. My cat's name is Bosky. Here which one is the special noun? Cat? No, it's a naming word but not a special name. So Bosky is the special name here because it has started with a capital letter and it's the name of the cat. So it is a special name. So what will we do? We will write sub number C, then we will write Bosky, then we will circle it. Okay. Come number D. My uncle has a Maruti car. My uncle. Uncle is a name but it's not a special name. But Maruti, here Maruti, it's a special name of car. Car is also a naming word but Maruti is the special name here. So we will write sub number D and we write Maruti. Then we will circle it. We will circle it. Now see number E. My uncle lives in Chennai. Here again uncle is naming word, but it's not special. But Chennai is special. Yes, you are correct. So we will write in number E, Chennai. Then we will again circle it. We will circle the word Chennai. Now, see number 3. It's from lesson 5. It is said that write the plurals of these words. We have to write the plurals of these words. First see the words. Number 1 box, 2 watches, 3 peaches, 4 buffalo, 5 dress, 6 torch, 7 glass, and number 8 church. So how will we answer? This is the question number 3. So we will first write answer to the question number 3. Then we have to write the sub numbers. First one is 1, and the answer of box, the plural form of box is boxes. We will write only the answer. Number 1 is boxes. Number 2, the word was watch. We will write watches. We have to be too much careful in the spelling. If the spelling is mistaken, your full marks will be cut with this word. Okay. Number 3 is peach. So the answer will be peaches. P-E-A-C-H-E-S, peaches. Number 4 is buffalo. The answer will be buffaloes. Buffaloes. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S, buffaloes. Then number 5 is dress. The answer will be dresses. Dresses. T-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. Number 6 is torch. The answer will be torches. Torches. T-O-R-C-H-E-S, torches. Number 7 is glass. The answer will be glasses. C-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Then number 8, church. Answer will be churches. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S. My dear students, you must be careful, very careful in writing the sub numbers. See, there are the sub numbers. According to the sub number, you will write the answer. If the sub number is mistaken, your marks will be, some of your marks will be cut. Okay? Okay, I hope that you must practice very well at home and you are having a very good preparation for the upcoming examination. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.